In primetime news this evening, Jamaicans fall prey to millions of online attacks.
ECJ and Cafe on collision course over voting restriction claims.
And Dr. Andrew Holness to be sworn in as Prime Minister next week. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Janella. So most categories of fuel will see an increase effective tomorrow, but by how much? I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
And I think perhaps reflecting his age, he's been dressing, he's looking like a schoolboy again today. Renardo, what's happening?
You know, I'm tempted to say forever young. I won't. Well, the Reggae Boys moved a step closer to securing their World Cup qualification after defeating Trinidad and Tobago last evening. And the football fraternity mourns the death of Alan Skillcole, who died last evening. We'll have those stories and much more in Primetime Sports.
And Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janelle. Now, tomorrow we do expect to be under the influence of upper level trough as well as a tropical wave that is in the center of the Caribbean basin. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
And he might look like he did GSAT, but no, common entrance. Romain will tell you more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we are asking, what steps have you taken to protect your personal data?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica. And as always, you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.